In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Kittl to create videos for your products to post on Instagram and TikTok in minutes. Let's check it out. So this is one of our TikTok UGC style templates. I've linked this down below so that it's easy for you to find. I've got a artboard right here connected to a video generation. And if I click play on this, I've got a perfect UGC style video that I can post on TikTok if this was my t-shirt. Now, all I have to do to change this to my product is drag in my image of my shirt from whatever mock-up you have of a print provider or whatever program you're using, and hover over this video board and hit regenerate. And in just a few minutes, I've got a perfect video of my product ready to post. And the cool thing is you can check out the prompt that was used to make this. We already did all the hard work for you. Don't even have to change anything in here. But if there's anything about the person in the video or the setting that you want to change, feel free to click in here and make your changes and then hit regenerate again. Just to demo this again so you get the whole feel for it, I've got another template here also linked down below. It'll be the second template for you. And all I have to do is drag my product into this artboard right here, make sure it's nice and centered up, and hit regenerate. And again, we have another perfect generation of our product in minutes. Again, guys, you can go down here and check out the prompt. If there's anything about this that you want to change, camera movements, the person that's shown in the video, the location are all outlined in the prompt. Feel free to drop in there and change that as you need. Now, both of these videos are ready to go, ready to post on TikTok with whatever trending audio and voiceover you decide to use. And remember, these are perfect for TikTok and Instagram, but they're also perfect for the product listing itself. Feel free to list these with the rest of your product images on the product listing itself. Videos are super helpful when selling your products. Gets your customer kind of seeing what it can look like used in their life. That's going to be all for today's video. Again, those templates are linked down in the description, and we have hundreds more that you guys can use to sell your products. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.